Hi, welcome to Carolyn Braden's Turning the Ordinary into the Extraordinary. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little teddy bear out of a burp cloth. These are the items you will need for your project. This is a Burt's Bees Baby 100% organic cotton 12-inch burp cloth, and I purchased this in a set on Amazon. You'll need 3 12-inch pieces of string, ribbon, natural twine like I'm using, or 3 rubber bands. Step 1 is to lay your burp cloth out on a table. I have the tags facing up. Now we're going to roll this. Take one end of the burp cloth and roll it kind of tightly, not too tightly though, towards the center of the cloth. This is about the center of the cloth. Now I'm gonna come to this side and roll this one in. Now take the top section, this is the top, and we're going to twist it to the bottom section like this. I'll show you that again. Take the top section and twist it like this down to the bottom section to where this becomes the arms and this becomes the legs. One more time. And if it starts to come unrolled while you're twisting it, just unroll it and then roll it back just a little bit. Take the top section and twist it down to the bottom section so it looks like this. Now I'm going to form the ears, face, arms, and legs a little bit better in the head. So now that I've got it folded, I'm just going to pop these 2 pieces to the side like this, and these become the ears, and this becomes the head. And it looks like this. Now we're going to pull the ears to the side just a little bit and go ahead and tie off the neck. So I'm going to take this piece of string, I'm going to put it underneath the bear and tie off what I want to be the head area, like so. This is what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to tie these strings into a bow, like that. Now we're going to take these sections and tie off some ears, and this is the head. There's some space in the back where you can put your fingers and kind of puff up that face a little bit. Now I'm going to tie the ears, so let's see how that's done. Take one of the pieces of string, put it around the ear, tie it, and it becomes this little puff ball which you can kind of play with and sink it into more of a ear shape. Now we need to tie the other side. I'm going to tie these strings into bows. I'm going to get them nice and snug. I'm going to do them in smaller bows, snipping the ends off. Now you can take your fingers, go through the back area here, puff up that face a little bit, squeeze the ears, shape them. I'm going to make this ear a little bit more shapely. And there's the cute little teddy bear. I have 2 teddy bears, so let's go ahead and make another one. I have a pack of 5, I think. So let's just make some more teddy bears. Let's see how these are put together in a different angle. Here's a different angle. Let's see this done again. Now all of my teddy bears are complete. I can use them as package toppers, or I can put them into a little box to gift to my friend who's having a baby. They're so cute. I just love them. And there's a lot of different varieties that you could do with this project. You could get longer towels, and you could maybe make bunny rabbits. You could do all different kinds of colors. You could just make this craft your own. Thanks so much for watching. Carolyn Braden's turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. If you have any questions, just put them in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Click subscribe if you'd like to keep up with all my DIY videos and more. Thanks for watching. Bye! Visit Carolyn'sBloomingCreations.com